Hi, I'm Diana Mercer, an attorney mediator with Peace Talks Mediation Services. I've been practicing divorce and family law for 25 years. Most lawyers are honest, but sometimes there's incentive to be overly optimistic about your case, especially when they're hoping to get you as a client. I've got 9 questions you'll want to ask to keep your divorce lawyer honest. This is video number 2 out of 2. Let's face it, nobody wants to hear bad news, but as an informed client, you need to be prepared for whatever might happen so that you can decide how to handle your case. If your lawyer is being honest, he or she will answer these questions. Question 5, will you play devil's advocate? Pretend for a minute you're my spouse's attorney. What would you tell my spouse based on what you've heard from me today? Please don't sugarcoat your advice to my spouse and your answer to this question. Number 6. What's the local reality? I know you can show me copies of the law and legal cases, but based on what you're seeing down at the local courthouse, in the Family Court Mediation and Custody Evaluation Office, with the judges, and typical lawyer-to-lawyer negotiations, what are the realities of settling cases and trial outcomes? As a practical matter, what really goes on? Number 7, is it really worth it to enforce all of my rights? Can you quantify the amount of money that's in question? And if I enforce all of my rights in this case, as opposed to settling for something less, how will that compare with the legal fees and the expert fees it costs me to get everything I'm entitled to versus the settlement I could negotiate? Number 8, what's the range of cost? If we went to court, what is the range of cost that you would see given your experience with prior cases similar to mine, both high and low? Are you willing to put that estimate in writing? And number 9, will you put your money where your mouth is? It sounds to me like you're pretty certain of the result you can get from me in my divorce case. Would you please put that in writing? And if you're not willing to put it in writing, then why not? If this feels confrontational, you can feel free to show this video to your attorney. Tell him or her that while you think it's crazy and it's overkill, your YouTube friend Diana Mercer said to talk to them about this because it's really important. For more information, please call Peace Talks Mediation Services and book a free mediation orientation.